You are now watching Gaston Network. We interrupt our commercial break to bring you the following. It has been happening that a tiny black circle is in outer space by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, saying that this happened for this time being. Apparently for that, the Prime Minister, David Cameron, has to say the following announcement for this time being. We now bring to you more updates, as conditions warrant. We have received more information about the tiny black circle in outer space. It is not some flying bird, or a plane, or a helicopter, but it is a black hole that grows deeply from the edge of outer space, and that means that this is the final broadcast day of Gaston Network forever. And after nearly a century of broadcast keys, it's now time to say goodbye. Goodbye.